Firas learns to be a good friend. A little boy named Firas. Firas is 4 years old. He has short, dark hair and big, curious eyes. He lives in a small, cozy house with his mother and father. They love him very much and read him bedtime stories every night. Playing alone, Firas has lots of toys, cars, blocks, and even a big red ball. But he always plays by himself in his room. He doesn't have any friends, and that makes him feel a little lonely. At the park one sunny day, Firas goes to the park with his mom. He sees other children laughing, running, and playing together. Firas walks over, but when he tries to join them, they don't let him. They say, "You're mean," and run away. Feeling sad, Firas sits on a bench and feels very sad. He looks down at his shoes and whispers, "Why don't they want to play with me?" His mother sits beside him and gives him a hug. A lesson for mom. His mom gently says, "Firas, maybe you were not kind before. Friends like people who are nice and share." Firas thinks quietly. He nods and says, "I want to try again." A chance to help. The next day, Firas sees a little boy playing with a ball. Suddenly, the ball rolls away. Firas runs to get it and gives it back with a smile. "Here you go." A smile and a game. The boy smiles back and says, "Thanks. Want to play with me?" Firas feels happy. "Yes," he says. They throw the ball back and forth, laughing and running. Firas feels happy for the first time. Firas is not alone. He feels warm inside, like sunshine in his heart. Being kind felt good. A girl in trouble. Later that week, Firas sees a girl sitting on the grass and crying. He walks over and says gently, "What's wrong?" "I lost my teddy bear," the girl sobs. Helping again, Firas looks around and spots a small bear under a bush. He picks it up and gives it to the girl. "Is this your teddy?" The girl wipes her tears and says, "Yes. Thank you so much." Telling mom and dad that evening, Firas runs home with a big smile. He hugs his parents and says, "Guess what? I made 2 new friends." His mom and dad are so proud of him. Sharing at the park, Firas brings his toys and shares them with other kids. He lets a little boy play with his red car and offers blocks to another girl. They all laugh and build together. Learning kind words, Firas learns to say please, thank you, and I'm sorry. He helps others when they fall and cheers them up when they're sad. Everyone notices how kind he is becoming.